On the weekly chart, we're going to take a look at OXY in here. You can see that so far for the week, we are starting bearish in here. Pretty strong bearish net flow all around in here for our options chain. We have right around a $1 expected move priced in by this upcoming week. So even though we ended flat, pretty overall bearish in here for the day. Where does that kind of put us here on this overall chart? Well, we're sitting right now at that upper 42 level. We're going to be looking at that 43, and then we're going to be looking up here at this 50-day SMA or that 43.85, whichever one of these do come first as our next resistance. Anything outside of that, we're looking at 45.17, and then we're looking up here at that 46.64. Now to the downside in here, we're looking at 42.11 or this 9-day EMA, whichever does come first. It's basically sitting on that $42 psych level for us. Anything below there, we're looking at 40.59. Like I just mentioned before, we have a $1 expected move priced in by this Friday, next Friday, right around $1.50. If you go out all the way to the end of January, it's looking at basically a $2 expected move priced in by your options trader. So let's see what happens overall as we continue throughout the week. But basically in here, you ended more or less flat on the day. Your options pointed bullish, or sorry, bearish, especially towards the end of the day, and they're pretty strong net flow to the downside in here. So let's see what kind of action we get tomorrow overall in this industry, and then see what happens going forward. So again, a $1 expected move. We're looking at 43.85. We're looking at that 50-day SMA sitting right around that same level. We're looking at our 9-day EMA sitting basically at that 42 psych level. And then on the downside, we're looking at 40.59. So let's see what happens in here in Oxy going into the rest of the week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you said, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.